Hello and welcome back to old Teacher Kenny's Say With Me pronunciation video course. Can you believe this is already video 17? Oh my. And we're just getting going good now. We've got past all those vowels. In the previous video we started with the diphthongs where two vowels work together. We got the O-I sound. And now we're going to use this E-A-R. Whenever you see E-A-R, ear, in a sentence, it can sound three different ways. So, again, you cannot count on the spelling to know the pronunciation. You need to see a word and you need to listen to your new vocabulary every time. And I often would use, my students would use thefreedictionary.com to listen to these pronunciations. So you might go check that out, www.thefreedictionary.com. But anyhow, the spelling of E-A-R can sound like ear, it can sound like air, or it may just be So you never know. Listen to what I say. Follow me. It's Say With Me pronunciation. So, are you ready? Let's jump on board and get the lesson underway. Here we go. Okay, so here we are with the sounds of E-A-R. Now remember, as you listen to vocabulary, E-A-R spelling can sound like ear. It can sound like air, or it can just sound like So follow me really careful as I read off this vocabulary and do exactly as I do, and you'll get it right. But just remember, the E-A-R can really have many different sounds. So let's look at line 1, fear. See, that's got the ear sound. Fear. Bear. And there's your air sound. Bear. Earn. See, now there's your So right there's your three main sounds. And the last word is sear. So repeat after me. I'm going to go through line 1 one more time just so you can get it right. First word is fear. Then bear. Earn. And sear. Line 2, just follow me. Where, yearn, dear, pair. So many different sounds. Line 3, earth, near, tear, heard. Just follow me. Say with me. Line 4, spear, pearl, learn, rear. Line 5, wearing, search, sheer, clear. Our last line of vocabulary, rehearse. I'll say that one again. Rehearse, year, earrings, research. Now let's find our sentences. And we'll have several sentences here. We got 6 sentences to work with. So just follow me. I'll say each one twice so you can get it right. Sentence number 1. Earl's girl wears pearl earrings. Earl's girl wears pearl earrings. Wow. All right. Sentence number 2. The Bears heard Earl rehearse. Say with me. The Bears heard Earl rehearse. Sentence 3. Each year we spear a deer. Each year we spear a deer. Notice those strong, those are really strong when it has R, that's so strong. Sentence 4. Earl searched the earth to earn a pearl. Earl searched the earth to earn a pearl. Sentence 5. Dear Claire, I swear to stay near. Dear Claire, I swear to stay near. And our very last sentence, his bleary eyes leak tears. Say this one more time. His bleary eyes leak tears. And that's it for our Sounds of EAR lesson. There are many, and you have to never guess when you see a word that has the EAR. Look it up in a dictionary and make sure how it sounds. But anyhow, we hope you have a good day, and we'll see you with the next lesson. Take care.